The Honda 66436 EM6500SX is a portable generator that has quickly gained a reputation for its robust performance and reliability, making it an ideal choice for homeowners, outdoor enthusiasts, and professionals alike. With its powerful 6,500-watt output, this generator is capable of handling a wide array of power needs, from powering essential home appliances during an outage to serving as a reliable power source on job sites. One of the standout features of the EM6500SX is its powerful 389 cubic centimeters engine. This engine not only provides ample power but also boasts impressive fuel efficiency. Honda has a long history of engineering excellence, and this generator exemplifies their commitment to quality. Users can expect a runtime of up to 11 hours on a single tank of gas when operating at a half load. This extended runtime ensures that you won't be frequently refueling during extended outages or while enjoying outdoor activities. The co-minder feature is another significant innovation in this model. This advanced carbon monoxide detection system automatically shuts off the generator if harmful CO levels are detected. This safety feature is crucial, especially when using the generator in enclosed or poorly ventilated areas, as it ensures that you and your loved ones remain safe from carbon monoxide poisoning, a serious risk associated with portable generators. The co-minder system is a testament to Honda's commitment to safety, which is paramount in any power-generating equipment. The design of the EM6500SX is user-friendly, featuring an easy-to-read control panel with clearly marked outlets. It provides two 120V 20A NEMA 5-20R outlets, one 120V 30A NEMA L5-30R outlet, one 120/240V 30A NEMA L14-30R outlet, and a 12V DC outlet. This array of options allows users to connect multiple devices simultaneously, making it versatile for various applications, from powering a refrigerator to running power tools. Weight is often a concern with portable generators, but Honda has designed the EM6500SX with mobility in mind. It weighs approximately 200 pounds, which might seem hefty, but it comes with solid wheels and a foldable handle that allow for easy transportation. Moving the generator from one location to another is manageable, even for one person, thanks to its thoughtful ergonomics. Noise levels are another crucial consideration for many users when choosing a generator. The Honda EM6500SX operates at a noise level of 58 dBA at a quarter load, which is significantly quieter than many competitors in the same power category. This quieter operation makes it suitable for use in residential areas, where noise restrictions may apply, and it allows for a more pleasant outdoor experience whether you're camping or hosting a gathering. Maintenance is straightforward, which is a significant advantage for those who may not be mechanically inclined. The generator features an automatic oil alert system that notifies you when oil levels are low, preventing potential engine damage. Regular maintenance tasks, such as oil changes and air filter replacements, are easy to perform, making it user-friendly for both seasoned users and novices. In terms of durability, Honda's reputation speaks volumes. The EM6500SX is built with high-quality materials designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Its robust frame and protective features mean that it can handle rough handling and adverse weather conditions without compromising performance. The generator is also equipped with a circuit breaker that protects against overloads, adding an extra layer of safety and reliability. On the downside, the initial cost of the Honda EM6500SX may be higher than other portable generators on the market. However, considering its performance, safety features, and Honda's strong brand reputation for reliability, many users find that the investment pays off in the long run. In conclusion, the Honda 66436 EM6500SX 120V/240V 6500-watt portable generator with co-minder is an outstanding choice for anyone in need of a powerful and reliable source of electricity. Its combination of a robust engine, safety features, user-friendly design, and quiet